Every single day, millions of women lose more than 100 strands of hair without even realizing it. Imagine waking up and finding your pillow covered in hair, your brush full of broken strands, and your hairline getting thinner. Scary, right? But here's the good news. What if I told you there are 3 powerful herbs women around the world are using right now to regrow their hair naturally, without chemicals, without side effects? Stay with me till the end, because these remedies might change your hair forever. Herb number 1, rosemary. Rosemary is more than just a kitchen herb. It's like a gym workout for your hair follicles. When massaged onto the scalp, it increases blood circulation, giving your roots more oxygen and nutrients. That means less breakage, stronger strands, and faster regrowth. In fact, one study showed rosemary oil works just as effectively as minoxidil, a chemical hair growth treatment, but without the harmful side effects. Isn't that incredible? Imagine replacing expensive products with a simple natural oil. Women usually mix rosemary essential oil with coconut or olive oil, massage it in, leave it for 30 minutes, and then wash. Many start noticing new baby hairs sprouting along the hairline within weeks. Herb number 2, Bhringraj, the king of herbs. If Ayurveda had a crown jewel for hair, it would be Bhringraj. Known as the ruler of hair, this herb is packed with vitamins and minerals that feed weak follicles and bring dead roots back to life. And here's the fascinating part. Bhringraj doesn't just stop hair fall, it can also reverse premature graying and make hair naturally darker and shinier. Women prepare oil by boiling Bhringraj leaves or use its powder to make hair masks. One popular recipe is mixing Bhringraj powder with aloe gel and yogurt. Apply once a week and watch your hair transform from dull to thick and glossy. Pause for a moment. Have you ever tried any natural remedy for your hair? Maybe a DIY mask or a herbal oil? Tell me in the comments which one worked best for you. I'd love to know your secret. Herb number 3, aloe vera. Now, let's talk about the miracle plant almost everyone has at home. Aloe vera. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E that help repair damaged scalp cells and boost healthy growth. But here's what most people don't know. Aloe vera also has proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. That means it doesn't just promote growth, it literally fixes the root cause of hair damage. Women use fresh aloe gel directly on their scalp, leave it for 20-30 minutes, and rinse. It reduces dandruff, tames frizz, and adds natural shine. If you struggle with itchy scalp or dryness, aloe vera is your best friend. Final wrap-up. So the 3 herbs women worldwide are swearing by are rosemary, the natural blood stimulator; Bhringraj, the ruler of hair regrowth; aloe vera, the miracle scalp healer. And remember, the real secret isn't trying everything at once, it's consistency. Pick one remedy, stick with it, and let nature work its magic. So tell me, which of these 3 herbs are you excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more natural beauty secrets, and share it with a friend who's struggling with hair fall. Because beautiful, healthy hair isn't just a dream, it's a choice you can make today.